In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Salesforce. This integration can be a powerful tool for streamlining your workflows and ensuring that your teams have all the information they need right at their fingertips. Whether you're managing projects, tracking issues, or simply looking to enhance communication between your development and sales teams, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, the initial step is navigating to the left panel in your Jira dashboard. From there, you'll need to click on Apps, followed by Ayakami, and then Explore More Apps. This is your gateway to a plethora of apps and plugins that can be integrated into your Jira environment. It's a useful feature that allows you to expand the capabilities of Jira and customize it to suit your specific needs. Once you're in, type Connector for Salesforce and Jira into the search bar and proceed with the installation. It's important to take your time during this step. Make sure to select the right connector, ideally one that's official or carries strong reviews, as this will ensure the most reliable performance and functionality. With the installation complete, find the connector for Salesforce and Jira from your list of apps. Clicking on it will present a configuration option. Here, you'll need to select Connections. This is the pivotal area where you'll manage and create the link between Jira and Salesforce. As you enter the Connections section, look to the top right corner for the Add Connection button. This is where you begin setting up a new connection. The user interface should be quite intuitive, guiding you through the process effortlessly. You'll be asked to name your connection, and it's a good idea to pick something descriptive. This will help you easily identify it later on, especially if you plan to manage multiple connections or if you're part of a larger team. Next, you will choose your Salesforce environment. Depending on your current situation, you'll select either Production or Sandbox. If you're testing the integration or just trying it out, the Sandbox is generally the safer option. However, if you're ready for live data, go with Production. Now, it's time to click on Authorize. This will lead you through the authorization process, where you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Just follow the prompts, input your credentials when prompted, and double-check everything to ensure a smooth connection. Once logged in, you might see a menu titled Import Compact Layouts. Here, it's up to you to either click Import to bring these layouts into Salesforce or choose Do It Later if you prefer to defer this step. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Salesforce account to Jira. This completed integration paves the way for a more interconnected and efficient workflow, enhancing collaboration across your teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your tools and productivity.